What is up, guys? Woody LS3 back at you with another vlog. Today we got a phone call from Mr. Agustin over there at Xclusive Collision. My bumpers are ready, so right now we're gonna go ahead and pick them up. I'm not gonna put them on yet just because I still have a lot to do with the front of the truck. I can possibly put the back one on, just have that one ready to go. So we're gonna go pick those up. Also, we're gonna swing by Project Torque, maybe pick up some more things that I need. So let's go ahead and head over there. Alright guys, we're here at Project Torque with none other than Mr. JR Fan.
¿Qué dicen? ¿Cómo andan?
¿Qué estamos haciendo, JR?
Estamos trabajando en el header del Woody.
¿Qué estamos haciendo? ¿Poniendo V-Band?
Poniendo el V-Band para empezar a hacer el crossover. Ahorita vamos a empezar a hacer el crossover de una vez que quede ya. Y ayer le soldamos el fitting para el return, oil return del turbo. Ahí quedó.
Oh yeah. A unos le hacen hot tap, le hacen tap, pero usted lo soldó, ¿verdad?
Sí, está soldado por adentro.
There it is, guys. It's all welded on, so you ain't gonna have no problem coming off or anything like that, ¿verdad?
No va a liquear ni nada. So, ahí quedó eso. Ahorita te digo, vamos a trabajar en eso para tratar de acabar el crossover. Lo que estoy pensando es de que me acordé que en el crossover va a llevar la wastegate, ¿verdad?
Así dijo usted que la quería poner.
Sí, de este lado. Porque aquí de este lado está la barra.
Yeah.
So vamos a tener que ponerla de este lado para nomás poner una noventita para abajo para que esté así como está la de Freddy, más o menos como la Xclusive.
Y le va a poner el banging joint, ¿verdad?
Sí, ese es un velo.
Velo.
Ya.
Okay.
Flex joint.
Eso es para que si cuando se mueva no la quiebre ni nada de eso.
Cualquier cosa que vibración o esto o lo otro, ahí se mata todo. Y esa llega como flow. Y si miras adentro.
Oh, sí, yeah.
¿Ves?
Los flow.
Sí, va para allá.
Y todo esto lo puedes conseguir en su website, ¿verdad?
Yes, sir. Ahí tenemos todo eso en el website. Bastantes cosas de stainless, titanium, un montón de cositas que tenemos ahí. Para la raza que no sabe, vayan a echar una miradita ahí. justracingfab.com. Y ahí van a ver.
So there you go, guys. JR's actually working on a crossover. He's gonna get it done. Then now we can take the oil pan back home, put it on the motor, and then we can go ahead and start putting everything together. I am still waiting to get the headers to resurface. That way we can go ahead and put everything on. We have the gaskets and everything like that. So at least we have the oil pan now. We do have the gasket for the oil pan, so we can put that back on. And then once JR gets finished with everything, we're gonna have to bring him the truck so he can finish the downpipe. Yeah, we still got quite a bit of work, but man, JR's over here hustling. He actually was sick. Andaba malo, ¿verdad?
Estaba bien malo. Tuvimos que faltar unos días, pero ya andamos aquí mejor. So, probablemente mañana también veremos.
Y hay una troquita, una gris ahí que anda medio rápida, ¿no?
Oh, por ahí anda. Dicen que no se agarra y que no se agarra.
¿Qué pasó, vale?
¿Qué pasó?
Oye, ahí anda.
Se ve que ahorita es cuando cantarle con el Hellboy porque ya agarrándose ya valió mal.
So guys, we're gonna let JR get finished here. We're gonna take the oil pan back, get on the motor, but we're gonna go ahead and head over to Mr. Agustin over there at Xclusive Collision. So let's go.
¿Cómo andas?
Bien, aquí nomás. La nueva. Todavía ni la sacado.
¿Reflejan con la luz?
No.
¿No?
No. Soy mexicano, pero no tanto así, güey.
Y ahí hay otro mojarrín. Este güey cruzó por acá por Piedras Negras. Sí.
Por Piedras Negras.
Por ahí. ¿Cuántas millas corriste, güey?
No, se me eché como unas 60, 70 yo. Fácil.
¿Qué chingas se va a correr 70 millas? 70 metros, güey, no mames.
Alright guys, so we're here at Xclusive with Mr. Agustin. So let's check out the bumpers that he just recently painted for me.
Llévame ahorita porque vamos a subir los bumpers. Ya están los bumpers que le hicimos aquí a Woody. Le hicimos color match. Le pintamos los plásticos. Le dimos una leve restauración.
Full restoration.
Le hicimos el color match. Mira, ¡ay, papá!
Yeah, boy.
Ni parecen los mismos.
Pinche polen, güey. Luego nos manda la chingada al trabajo. Ya están los de atrás también, mira. Esta no se la puse porque pues mejor pónsela ya, ¿no?
¿Cuál? La de la... Oh, ok.
Cuando ya lo armes allá,
ajá,
es más fácil porque una vez que se lo pone uno aquí se atora. Entonces,
oh, okay,
si no lo pones bien,
Oh, ok, la tienes que sacar otra vez.
Sí, güey, y tienes que empezar a desdoblar todos los pins porque se agarra de aquí.
Oh, ok.
Entonces mejor...
No, sí es un pedo entonces.
No, es una bronca. O sea, está fácil para meter, pues la bronca es después para que salga. Pues mira.
No, hombre, no. Ni parece que eran cromados antes.
No, es que el proceso es como debe de ser. Ya están chingones, ya nomás para que llegues y tenía un golpecito por acá.
¿O sí tenía un golpe?
Sí, se reparó.
Ni parece que no tenía nada.
Y no con banda, puro martillo y cincel. Como los escultores. Ahora, agárrate, güey. Pura lima y martillo.
Solo negro también lo pintó, man, porque
Sí.
se mira bien negro.
Pues, claro, le dimos una pasadita, mi guri, porque pues ya la textura ya se opacan con el
Ajá.
sol. Pero le
No,
dimos
sí, se mira bien negro.
una pasadita para que se vea. Pues, si no, imagínate pintado el bumper y luego esta madre.
Ya todo gris.
Y cenizo. Para decir, oye, güey, ¿quién fue el chingón? Oye, le hubiera echado una pasada de overspray, aunque sea. Quede con madre.
Damn.
Ahí está. Ahora sí, mi guri. Lista para el pinche show.
No, pues ya está, ya como que ya está, va a estar todo color match. Como chingo de gente en Miami está, oh, píntale los bumpers, pero espérate que haga tiempo.
Que haya feria, dile, haya
Sí.
tiempo y vamos a hacerlo como chingando.
Sí.
No, pero ya ahorita ya se ve bien,
Ya está todo color
Bien
match,
nice.
ya. Done here at Xclusive.
bien nice. Ya está, mi guri.
Ya está,
Pues
muchas
listo,
gracias.
pues, listo. Ahí estamos.
Ya si quieren algo así, está...
Aquí que hablen al 936-441-0303. Xclusive Collision.
Ahorita tuviera mejor, si quieren como los bumpers, mejor le traigan los bumpers, ¿verdad? No traigan toda la troca ni nada
Pues
de eso.
si se ahorran más feria.
Ya.
Si ellos los quitan, yo nomás los desarmo estos, se ahorra más dinero porque desarmarlos y todo, pues claro, todos los chavos tienen que cobrar su comisión, pero es mejor, se ahorran más dinero meter los bumpers y también pues no tenemos aquí tanto mueble, pero si no hay de otra, no hay de otra, lo pueden traer completo, no hay problema.
Que todo se pueda arreglar.
Aquí todo se puede arreglar.
Ya está, Mike, gracias.
Órale, ya estamos. Órale, mi guri, ya sabes.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Mr. Agustin here at Xclusive Collision. Guys, man, these bumpers look so good. I can't wait to get them on the truck. We still need to paint the truck, the whole entire truck, guys. It does have a couple dents here and there, but I don't want to do that until after I'm completely done with the motor, with the transmission, with the turbo kit, and then obviously after we, make some couple passes, tune it, everything like that, just because I don't want it to go and get it completely painted and then it get damaged at a shop or just things happen. Even at my house, I can hit it accidentally. My kids go in and out of the shop, in and out of the garage, and they could actually bump into it and stuff like that. So I just don't want to do it right now. We are going to do it. We're going to do a complete color, not color change, but just go over the color, fix all the dents, and then maybe paint it red again. Or we might just fix the dents and we might wrap it. Just things like that. There's always a bunch of options nowadays. Wrapping and everything like that. We were able to wrap my car. We wrapped it that passion red metallic, so we wrapped it and it looked good. But nothing beats paint, honestly, guys. Nothing beats paint. Obviously, you gotta go with somebody that knows its stuff and paint. And yeah, obviously we have that. Mr. Agustin is a magician when it comes to paint. He comes out with some awesome colors, some awesome ideas, and things like that. Like when he did the black chrome on the front of my grill on my truck. So he is an awesome painter. Him and his whole crew. Like I said, they fix everything. Make sure everything's done right. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop off these bumpers off at my house, and then I actually have to get a gasket for JR so he can go ahead and start doing the crossover, just because when he does the crossover, he wants it to match up perfectly. And honestly, as crazy it might sound, if you don't have a gasket, guys, it's not gonna sit, all the way it should be because of that small gasket that you're missing. So we're gonna go ahead and run home, drop off these bumpers, pick up that gasket, and bring it back to JR over here at Project Torque. We're almost there. Man, I'm like 2 weeks away from Texas 2K. We just need to keep going, guys, not give up. I mean, my wife could sit here and tell you, like, man, all the times that I've been frustrated and just want to be like, man, I'm tired. I don't feel like working on the truck and stuff like that, but luckily I have a great wife that supports me, supports what I do, and she's always there to push me on and you know, keep going. So big shout out to her. So let's go ahead and head home, guys. Let's pick this stuff up and let's take it back to Project Torque so JR can finish the crossover. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're back home. I actually have to find some room to put my bumpers because I'm not able to put them on right now. So we're gonna move some of the stuff around. That way we can get my bumpers out here, and yeah, we can head back to the shop. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so we got the bumpers off. Shout out to my son for helping me out. So we got the bumpers off. Yeah, guys, look at that. Man, they look sick. I can't wait to have them on the truck. Pretty much the whole truck is gonna be color matched. I'm gonna be super excited once this thing is completely done. I thank everybody that has helped me to get to this point where I'm at. Obviously, Mr. Agustin at Xclusive, my boy Alex, Freddie, Project Torque, all the crew, Homie, Street Side Racing, who has helped me to get this build going. So, you know, it's a good team that I have. Yeah, there's a lot more things coming, guys, so y'all stay tuned. Let's go ahead and go to Project Torque, give JR that gasket, and pick up the rest of the stuff that we need.
Tomorrow.
What is up, guys? It's currently the next day. We're gonna go ahead and put on the back bumper. That way it doesn't get scratched up while we have it here on the ground. So let's go ahead and get that back bumper on. Like I said, we're not gonna put on the front bumper just because I still have a ton of work to do up here at the front. As you can see, everything is still taken apart. Once we get everything pretty much situated with the truck, I get done with the motor work, then we'll go ahead and put the front bumper back on and then make sure everything is good to go. So let's go ahead and get that rear bumper back on and check it out, see how it looks.
Eventually.
Check it out, guys, we got the back bumper installed. Dang, guys, I think it looks so sick. It looks way better than the chrome that it used to be. I'm so happy with it. Look how shiny the paint is. Man, Mr. Agustin got down with this bumper. I can't wait to put on the front one and see how that one's gonna look. But guys, it looks so good right now. I do gotta get this little piece. I think I forgot it at the shop, so I gotta get that little piece back on, and then yeah, guys, the back bumper will be complete. But yeah, I can't wait to get the front one on. Comment down below, guys, do y'all think I should debadge it, take the emblems off, and then just have it all red? Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and continue on. We'll probably move on to the cow tracks. I need to do the cow tracks on this thing also. That way I can go ahead and get all that done. Also, we're gonna go ahead and start maybe taking off the fuel tank and everything like that. So let's go ahead and go, guys. All right, guys, little by little we keep making progress, but I want to take time and thank my new sponsor that decided to jump on board. Big shout out to Holly. They're actually jumping on board the 4x4 turbo build. And yeah, guys, now I'm sponsored by Holly. They actually sent me over this Holly high ram that we're gonna be throwing on the truck. So I don't have to throw on my intake manifold. I'm gonna throw on this Holly high ram. And yeah, guys, check this thing out. This thing looks nice. I did get the raw one, the raw metal one. I didn't want to get the black powder coated one just because I didn't know if I was gonna do it all black. I kind of wanted just to put it on, see how I like it, see how everything fits. But yeah, guys, check this thing out. Holly EFI on the top. I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen these on turbo builds, so this is a big thing to have on a turbo setup. So big shout out to Holly for jumping on board the single cab turbo build. And yeah, guys, I can't believe that I'm working with an awesome company like Holly. So we're not ready to put this on yet. I just wanted to show y'all because they sent it over. And yeah, guys, we're gonna be throwing this on as soon as I get the engine slapped back on. Then we'll throw on the manifold and everything like that. But like I said, big shout out to Holly sending over that banner and this intake manifold. Make sure y'all pick one up. We're definitely gonna see what this thing does on the dyno and on the track. So yeah, I just wanted to take time to thank Holly And yeah, let's go ahead and keep working on this truck, guys.